To open Wells Fargo online banking, start by going to the Wells Fargo website at wellsfargo.com. Click on the Online Banking tab at the top of the page and select Enroll Now. You will be asked to provide some personal information, including your Social Security number, Wells Fargo account or debit card number, and your email address. Once you have entered this information, click Continue and review the terms and conditions of the online banking service. Check the box to agree to the terms and conditions and click Continue. You will then be prompted to create a username and password for your online banking account. Choose a username that is easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. And create a strong password that includes a combination of letters and numbers. You will also be asked to set up security questions and answers, which will help to protect your account from unauthorized access. After completing the enrollment process, you will be able to log in to your online banking account using your new username and password. You can view your account balances, pay bills, transfer funds, and access other banking services online. It is a good idea to review your account activity regularly to ensure that everything is accurate and up to date. To add an extra layer of security to your online banking account, consider setting up two-factor authentication, which requires you to enter a code sent to your phone or email in addition to your username and password. This will help to prevent unauthorized access to your account. By following these steps, you can easily open a Wells Fargo online banking account and start managing your finances online. Remember to always keep your username and password confidential and to log out of your account when you are finished using it to protect your personal and financial information.